5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 2 left, 100, fast 5 left, and 3 right, fast 5 left, and 3 right, tightens to 4, and small crest, tightens to 4, tightens to 4, well done, small crest 3 right long, 60, 2 left, into 2 right in, so 2 left in, 2 right in, 100, 1 left, only 80, long 4 left over bump, so 1 left, only 80, long 4 left over bump, 150, long fast 3 right, opens to 2, 100, so long fast 3 right, opens to 2, 100 line, care, square light right, left tight, square left tight, and go after it please.
Tight is it?
Just left, go, 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 brave, brave, big balls, 80, long 1 left, long 1 left here, 100, 1 left again, 60, crest, and so you've got 1 left again here, then you've got crest, very long 1 left, tightens to 2, tightens to 2, and 2 left again, 400, so 2 left again here, and 400, that's it, 400, all the way, you got 2 right, 130.
She's
so,
flat out.
Yeah, 2 right, 130. 130 now, then 2 right at trees, only 80, short 4 left. 2 right, only 80, short 4 left. Keep straight, that's it, well done. 1 right, 130, square right. Square right. 100, free gate on exit, free gate on exit. 100. Very short 5 left, 60, 1 right, 130. So 60 after this, then 1 right, 130, long 1 right, 80, square left. So you've got long 1 right, 80, square left. 250. 250 here. And square left again. Square left again. And 250 line. Got 250 line, 4 left in, so at the end you can see it at the trees, 4 left in, 200, so 200 after this, and short 4 left in over bump, so you've got short 4 left in over bump here, 150, 150, square right, and crest, 80 down, square left, 80 down, then you've got square left in front of the trees, square left in front of the trees, 60, long fast 5 right, and crest, fast 4 right in and flat crest. So over this crest and fast 4 right in and flat crest, 130, short 5 right and 1 left, 100. So short 5 right here and 1 left, 100. 5 left and 60, long crest flat. So 5 left here and 60, long flat crest 80, crest again, only 80, 4 left in. So after the second crest, only 80, 4 left in. Only 80 from here, 4 left in. 60, flat crest. 60 again, slow crest, short 5 right, down. So slow on this crest, well done. Short 5 right, down. 60, square right. 80, flat crest. 80 again. So flat the crest in front of you. 80 again. 3 left in, 130.
What is it?
3 left in, 130. 5 left in at the bench. Into bumps on exit, bumps on exit. Into flat crest, bumpy on exit mate. Flat crest, 100 hairpin right. 150 line. 1 left over crest, 100 through dip. So 1 left over this crest, 100 through dip. Crest and second second crest slow, care, free right, bumps into 4 left. So second crest here, free right, and bumps into 4 left, fast, in, 80. Fast 4 left in again, 100. So this is fast 4 left in, 100. 3 left in and left over crest, bump into fast 3 right. So 3 left in and left over crest, jump into fast 3 right, 80. Short 4 left, opens to 3 left long. So this opens to very long 3 left, 80. 2 right into crest, 80, fast 4 left in at bumps. So 80, fast 4 left here, in, bumpy, 130. Fast 4 right in over crest, 80, slow 3 right over crest, long, and open hairpin right. So slowing on this one, 3, and it's over crest long to hairpin right at the bottom. Here, into 1 left, and short 5 left carry in, short 5 left carry in, long 1 right over crest finish, 150.
Fucking hell!
What?
I was fucking trying now. I enjoyed
Jesus
that.
Christ, I thought you were saying come on the notes, I said finish.
No, as in me, sorry.
Oh, right, sorry.
Well done.
I thought, how did I fuck that up?
No.
47.12 for